Hi guys, it's Barb Christensen again with Coldwell Banker Tomlinson. Hey listen, I'm going to put this gorgeous home on the market this week, but I wanted to do a little video tour for those of you who aren't going to be able to come see it. So hang in there with me. I got to tell you, I'm all by myself. I don't have a camera crew or lighting or anything like that. So I'm going to do my best. I'm just trying to guide you home. Okay, we're outside at 18505 East 4th Avenue in Green Acres, Washington. Green Acres, Washington is a town in the greater Spokane area, just about 7 miles to the Idaho state line. Oh, hi you guys, just thought I'd give you a little wave. So you're not going to be able to see the whole home detail on the outside right now, but just pay attention to what you do see. Look at the brickwork. I mean, you walk in this door and this fireplace is absolutely amazing. It's like a focal point, like none I've ever seen in my 20 years of business. The master mason did such an amazing job of creating those twisted columns and detail. So before we go on the tour, I'm going to take you in the great room so you can see the other side of the fireplace, and then we're going to get on with it. We had 2 little half steps down, and now I'm backing up so you can see it, and there it is. And what I love about that mantle and hearth is it could make all your interior decorating dreams come true. I'm just saying. Oh, and the other thing is you could social distance in this great room and still enjoy that fireplace. Oh, let's take a quick look outside. It's an unbelievable view of your own land out to the mountains in the distance. Little bit of a blustery day. We've got some leaves blowing around and stuff, but we had snow here last week and it's all gone now. So now I'm going to walk you through, and I just hopefully want you to be able to experience how easy it is to flow from one room to the next. Up another half step and one more, and we're into the kitchen. And now this kitchen is laid out perfectly. I mean, you come around here and you see the breakfast booth. And I'm just going to stand here for a minute and orient you back. So there you are at the great room, where if you had people over, they could be sitting there or walking around there, talking to you in the kitchen while you're cooking. And you could have people seated at this cozy eating area where they could be watching outside or even walking outside right there at the back door. And additional seating is right there at the end of the island, where probably 2 or 3 people could sit. So anyway, lots of opportunity for being able to gather with folks, cook, and enjoy. And who wouldn't enjoy a 5-burner gas stove? I know I would. There's the formal dining room in the distance. I'm going to take you over there a little bit later. I just want you to be able to see, all granite counters, lots of cabinetry, and then there's a really nice view at the kitchen sink. I mean, that's kind of fun. And so there it is, another beautiful view from another beautiful room. So as we're enjoying ourselves in this kitchen, I just want you to notice the high quality kitchen design. I mean, you just kind of flow from one area to the next and you can get to everything easily. And this is the pantry. And when you look in here, you're going to notice the deep organized shelving, which allows you to put just about anything and everything in there. So that's a real nice feature. And as we pass by the oven and microwave, I'm going to give you some orientation by showing you the foyer again. And then notice that the formal dining room is right across from the kitchen. And I'm going to walk you in and I'm going to show you the dimension. I mean, it's really large. We're going to pass by a hutch all the way to this wonderful light window where the sun is beating in at the moment. And you can come back around and you could put another hutch if you wanted to. It's just really a nice size room and located right across from the kitchen. As I mentioned before, you can just flow from one room to the next. So now we're heading back by the front door to the foyer, so we can imagine coming in and turning to the right this time, and we're going to head to the bedroom wing. So we pass by this first bedroom on the right, and it's a large room with nice bright light coming through, all new flooring, and it's currently set up as an office. So you could use it for either one, I suppose. And now we come back out from this bedroom And when we get to this landing area, I call it, you'll see a full bathroom, another bedroom straight ahead, and then the master suite. And we're going to walk into that second bedroom now, and you can get a perspective. I'm going to walk all the way to the end and look back. It's nice and large, has nice bright light coming in, and it's just right next door to the master. So whether it be a bedroom or another office, a playroom, a craft room, whatever you want. And then here's that full bath, which is really nicely situated. I mean, it's right off of the bedrooms, and it could also be a guest powder room if you wanted it to be, although there are other bathrooms we'll be getting to. And now we're going to come into the master suite. And this master suite is so nice. It's got this gas fireplace. You've got windows looking out to your backyard. Lots of light coming in. And if you notice the length of the walls, I mean, you could put some serious bedroom furniture in here if you wanted to. But then there's the master bath. And now we've got a master bath with a double vanity. You've got brand new flooring here. And as you look down, you see that amazing custom glass block shower, which we'll get into in a minute. But before that comes the closet. And when we go into this closet and I give you a perspective of how huge it is, I mean, it's really amazing. Both people can have their clothes here if they want, or it can just be one person's clothes. But you've got a lot of drawers, you've got a lot of shelving for shoes, and then you've got this nice hanging area where you could put your outfits or whatever you want. It's just a really nice closet. And as we come back around, we see that big glass block shower again. The shower, it's got double rain heads. It's got a shaving bench or seating bench, whichever you like. And then it's got this really nice curtain that comes from the inside that you wouldn't otherwise notice if I didn't pull it open for you. So it's just a really special shower, I've got to say. And then obviously that toiletry area is tucked away in private. So now we're going to head out and we're going to go down to the other wing of the home. So as we come back out of the master suite and back down through the foyer, you know where you are. There's your great room. There's your fireplace. There's your front door. And then we see the formal dining. And then we're going to pass by the kitchen. And pretty soon here, we're going to go into the laundry. And this laundry room is set up nicely. You've got a deep sink. You've got plenty of cabinets. And then over here, you've got a folding area and more cabinetry. And then you can go into the 3/4 bath. So it would normally be a powder room in most homes, but this one's got a shower. So that's kind of neat. So now we're going to head back out and we're going to go over past the stairway. We're going to go up there in a bit to this really amazing mud room. And I got to tell you, these folks have dogs, and so there's lots of room. They have a big dog and a medium-sized dog. And you walk out from this mudroom to the pool yard. But I got to tell you, you need to go to barbchristensen.com and look at the pool from about 2.5 weeks ago before the fall leaves happened and everything fell. It's pretty stunning. And as we're looking out this window, there's our shop in the distance. We'll go out there. But I want you to notice the privacy fencing. Now, it's not really fencing because they're actually concrete walls with brick accents. And they're on the east side and the west side of the property. So, I mean, during our current times, you've got a perfectly private oasis back here. Anyways, back in the mudroom, I'm just going to get to the corner here, show you the size perspective. And you could go out the doors to the left, back to the kitchen and foyer, or you can go into this really cool room. It's at the very end of the home, so super private. I wouldn't know if you wanted it to be an office like it is, or if you wanted it to be a craft room, or even a bedroom. Although it does not have a closet, you'd have to accommodate for that. But anyway, it's a nice space. All right, so now we're going to head back through and we're going to go upstairs now to the guest quarter or bonus room. And I'm here at the top of the stairs just looking out, showing you that beautiful view as well. It's just really a nice space. So as we come around into this bonus room area, you've got sort of a separate area and really cool. You've got this balcony where you can actually look over the top and see the whole home from this wing. So here we go. We're going to look down and see the kitchen, and gives you an idea of floor plan too. So, enjoy that. And as we come back around again, this space here, I don't know what you might want to do with it. If you wanted to make this a full-on unit with, say, kitchen type things and stuff, that would probably be your space for that. And then you've got a full bath, and then you've got this really nice large bedroom up here, and it has its own balcony. I mean, that's really cool. You could put a little table and chair out there, and the people who are up here could enjoy the outdoors right from their own suite. So now I'm going to take you back out, and I'm going to show you the living area. We come around the corner, and as soon as we pass by this space, we've got this huge bonus room. And it's really nice because it's got this gas fireplace. I mean, it could be really an enjoyable space. And I'm going to walk you down to the end again so that you can get a perspective on the size. You could fit all kinds of things in here, obviously. And now, as we come out, again, pass by the bedroom, the bathroom, this extra space that you have, and the balcony. And as we come around here to the stairway, we're going to go down to the basement to the mechanical room. And wow, I mean, there's a ton of storage down here. The really, really nice part about this mechanical room is all of the pool equipment is inside. No pool house, none of that. It's all right here, easy to take care of things. You've got a workbench if you want to have an indoor shop as well as your outdoor shop. You've got, an amazing water heater, tankless. There's so many features. I can't really rattle them all off while we're in here. But anyway, nice size, good storage, easy, take care of everything that you need right here inside. Okay, we're going to head out to the shop now. I'm starting at the gate where you would come in to go to the shop if you wanted to. But I'm kind of giving you a little overview of the backyard from over on this side of the property. Now we're going to go in, and we're starting in the bathroom. Most shops don't have a bathroom, but this one does, and that's kind of handy, I gotta say. So when we're in the bathroom coming out, we're in a separate area of the shop where you could have your garden tools and your, obviously lawnmowers and such, and you're able to drive right in from the lawn, so it makes it really nice. And as you come around, you're able to go into the main area, and you can close it off or keep it open, either way. And you're coming around to this undercarriage maintenance pit. And those of you who work on cars know exactly what that's for. All right, well, when we're looking at this shop, we see this storage. And of course, you could build more of it. It's plenty of room, 60 by 40. And as we come around to this size, to give you some perspective, and we look back into where we were, and then look at this. It's an I-beam chain hoist. I think those of you who use those things would also know what good that is. Anyways, it's a pretty nice shop. I mean, you've got work area, cabinetry, obviously deep sink, places for freezers. And then when you realize that you've got a 200,000 BTU furnace that's set on a switch by the back door, you can heat this shop up really fast. Pretty cool. All right, back outside. I just want to give you a look at the back of the home. I mean, what's not to like? It's just beautiful. And this whole area out here is all yours. It's all ready for you to come and play on it, hang out on it, whatever you want to do. You've got it here. I'm going to take you back over by the house because I forgot to show you the outdoor kitchen area and the water feature. Now, the water feature isn't on right now, but if you go to barbchristensen.com, that's BarbChristensen.com, you can look at the virtual tour. You can see it when it's running. It's just beautiful. But look at this space. I mean, in our current times, obviously, when we're trying to social distance and such, you've got outdoor benches already built. You've got the barbecue right there. You could also deck this whole thing out with all kinds of patio furniture. neat part that you can't see is there's hardwired lighting in just about every area outside. And there's the sport court real quick. But anyways, thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. And please give me a call, 509-979-2194.